Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a wash day. Yeah, so let's just get right on into this because it's been a minute since I've washed my hair. I know I should definitely wash my hair more often, but unfortunately I don't have an excuse. I actually don't have an excuse. So I have them in twists, and I put the twist into 2 braids, and we're just gonna take them out. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna go in. We just gonna take these out. I also had gel at the front of my hair, so yeah. Also, you know what? Let me get a scrunchie. Like, it'll be much easier for me to take them out if I do it section by section, so this doesn't take forever. I usually do not wash my hair in the evening time. I hate doing that. I just don't like. I'm not an evening person, but you know what? I have no other time, so evening time it is. Evening time it is, y'all. But anyways, let's just go on ahead and speed right on through this, shall we?
The African queen. Another you I know see. You don't fit to get back to.
Okay, so I decided we're gonna brush out bisection, just so that it's easier for me in the shower. Luckily, you know, my hair's not really tangled. Also, I don't know if I've said this in a previous video, but I don't actually detangle my hair every single time I'm retwisting. I think I pretty much every time I wear my hair out, I just retwist it, but I don't like rush it through. And for me personally, I found that it's helped with my hair health, because before I used to do that all the time, and not only was it just annoying, but I found out like it's taking out a whole lot of my hair. So I pretty much just stopped doing that. And so yeah, I found that it's really helped with my hair health. And yeah, also just not blow drying my hair every single time has also helped. But I pretty much like, I try to do it every other time, because it does help with like stretching out my hair and with the tangles. But if I go like quite a bit without washing my hair, embarrassing I know, then I pretty much I'll still use the blow dryer again, like that for the second time in a row, because it's been a minute. So like, for example, today I'm either going to use the blow dryer or the RevAir. The only reason I don't use the RevAir more often is because it's freaking heavy. But I think I'm going to try it out today. So you might not get a straight, well, I don't want a straight blow, but like as like blown out, but it should be a look, right? So we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking again.
I sing for all African women. I can't just explain how I feel. Strong in rough season, the African woman. City Kemado, the African woman. I'm in the storm, the African woman. Oh, hell, the African queens. Another you wanna see. You know fit to get back to. Izuru Keme. Oh, hell, the African queens. Another you wanna see. You know fit to get back to. Oh, mama.
So this is my hair now. Do we need to trim it? Probably. Am I gonna trim it today? I don't know. But anyways, so, and yes, I feel like a lot of you might be complaining because I am dry brushing my hair. But again, I don't have a lot of tangles. This amount came out. It's about the same amount I usually get when I do the first brush with my hair wet. So yeah, there you go. Let's go to the bathroom, shall we?
I turn any corner. My woman, they give me joy. Oh, when you hold yourself, wait for to replace them for me. I know them gonna never leave me up to me 30. Now why we they call them? I try to go when you're mad. Mama told me one day I'm gonna be a star. I say,
So I'm gonna be real with y'all. I will not be sitting under the hooded dryer today or putting on a conditioning cap today. This is gonna sit on my head for 10 minutes while I am in the shower, and then it's gonna get washed out because I am just too tired today. See you then.
you're my African woman. I sing for all African women. I can't just explain how I feel. Strong in rough season, the African woman. City Kemado, the African woman. I'm in the storm, the African woman. Oh, hell, the African queens. I know that you wanna see.
Okay, so here's the point where I wish I had one of those turban towels. And I just cannot convince myself to get one. So I'm like, is it worth it? Let me know if it's worth it. Because I can't convince myself that it's worth it. So I struggle with a towel and trying to tie it. But hey, it works out. Anyways. We'll be back with the RevAir or the blow dryer. All right, so we are back. Lights going down. So let's just try to get this over with. I'm going to be using the RevAir. And while I use that, I'm going to be putting a timer for about 45 seconds for each spot. I'm going to be doing bigger sections because, as I said earlier, I'm feeling super lazy right now and I'm tired. Because after this, I have to twist my hair. Ugh. So, yeah. I know that they say the RevAir doesn't give you heat damage, but I'm going to be using heat protectant spray anyways. And so, yeah. Let me get my clip. Yeah. So, let's just take off this towel. Whoop-de-doo. For the first time in forever, my hair is not freaking sticking up when I take it off the towel. I don't know why my hair does that. Anyways. So we're just gonna start from, I would say, the backity back. I'm gonna spray the heat protectant spray. Go in with my brush. So this is my second brush, and pretty much after this, unless it's extremely necessary, I don't brush my hair out again until the next wash. And usually it's fine. I definitely understand if your hair gets like tangled up, for sure, but mine doesn't really. So think it's fine. So let's put on a timer for 45 seconds. Timer for 45 seconds. So I'm gonna put it on high tension, 45 seconds. I'm gonna grab half of what and we're gonna start, well, I'm gonna start the timer after I put it in. Yeah, and there we go.
That you wanna see, you know fit to get back to. Is it okay, man? Oh, the African queen. Another you wanna see, you know fit to get back to. Oh, mama, Memo, you're my African woman. Oh, my lover, you're my African woman. Oh, mama, Memo, you're my African woman. Oh, my lover,
Okay, so this is it, pretty much. So the only thing I kind of hate about this is the noise. It's so loud, and not only that, because it's so loud, I can't watch anything. So that's just very annoying. But anyway, on to the next section. We're gonna try and speed on through this.
Get the baby where they make me smile. This smile, I know the fake I'm at all. I do get me. If you give me chance to pick another one, I go pick again.
Right, so actually for the two back ones, I did not have it on high tension. But this is it on high tension. That's what it did. So yeah, y'all. Again, we're gonna speed on right through this. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, and we will see in the morning what it looks like. I know my I was not recording when it was spinning around and showing all the results of the RevAir Blowout, but it is what it is. It did, to be honest, I kind of hated the results of the RevAir Blowout, but turns out it pretty much stretched it in the same manner that a regular blowout would have, so but yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and trim a little bit of my ends off camera, and I'll see you in the morning to see how this came out. Okay guys, so it is morning. We got some light. So this is the twist out results after using the RevAir blow dryer. I feel like it's pretty much the same as when I blow out my hair with a regular blow dryer. I just feel like I definitely wouldn't use the RevAir I definitely wouldn't use it if I wanted to straighten my hair. I feel like the blowout results is just not it. I'll probably do another video in a couple weeks showing me actually just blowing out my hair with the RevAir, since I didn't get to show the results because I wasn't recording. Ridiculous. But yeah. So again, these are the results. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.